Hi, my name is Jerod Skau. I'm with Musco Sports Lighting. We're here at InfoComm 26. And I'm just going to talk a little bit about what's behind me, which is one of our Musco Max mobile LED trailers. Behind me is the 1710, which is 17 foot by 10 foot mobile screen. This trailer weighs about 8,000 pounds, travels about 12 foot of travel height. It's designed to be able to be set up in about 15 minutes, so plenty of easy use. It does have power on board and all the production capabilities. I'll go through those a little bit deeper as we get started, but going from the top down, what you're seeing behind me is a 3.9 millimeter pixel pitch. So we've got 30 different cabinets with these modules on board, all carrying redundant data as well. So there's some peace of mind if your data goes out on one end of your primary runs, the redundant takes over like nothing happened. So going through everything, once again, starting right to left here, we've got on the sides, it's outfitted with audio. We've got EV LRC column speakers, a great addition to our trailer, all powered by a Dynacord 3600 watt amp, as well as a Rolls Bluetooth mixer. All those things we'll find in the inside of the production box. We'll take a little bit deeper dive to that in a little bit. To finish the overview, we've got a storage box on board. It's critical to carry in our spare parts, and we know that we want to have peace of mind for our customers as they're out running an event. And we always have 5% of that LED screen inside a tote on board, ready to tackle whatever may happen, whether it be a bad pixel, a power supply issue, you name it. We want it to be up and running quickly as possible without too much interference. Also, we have power onboard options. On board this one is a 12K PowerTech generator. So this will power every device on board, your production box, everything in there, as well as your 3 columns of LED screens as well. Other options are included. In this one, a shore power hookup. So all you'd have to have is a 240 volt, 50 amp California twist plug to be able to kind of work your way around that generator. We also have battery and inverter type systems. They can be recharged with full capability of the power that the diesel generator or any shore power could handle as well. Brings a little bit more of the noise factor down when operating. On the back side, you'll find your rotation pendant and your electrical panel as well. So inside all these, we do have capability to control and have some safe operation of your electrical components on board. So that's a matter of staging, getting things up and running, to shutting down, as well as any safety issue we may encounter along the way. We do have properly sized breakers inside its own panel. Right inside there as well is your 12 volt battery, which powers your entire hydraulic system on board. So your hydraulic system on this screen, it'll elevate up to 10 foot of trim height. That means the top of that screen's 27 foot in the air, bottom's 10 foot off the ground, as well as powered rotation using that pendant as well. So no matter where you need to put this trailer for your viewing crowd, whatever type of event you've got going on, if the grade's unfavorable, but you've got a crowd in a certain area, we can point that exactly where you need it as well. Inside the production box, we've got 2 power conditioners to bring safe power to all those critical components inside, including our NovaStar video processor. Inside this one's your NovaStar Pro 600, which has redundancy possibilities, as well as audio routing through it as well. So it'll embed through HDMI or your flash drive, end up into your audio system, and whatever you're putting in there, it'll come out crystal clear like you're seeing here behind me. The patch panel we also equip on our production boxes, our larger ones. It gives you some flexibility. It also gives you some capability of using picture-in-picture or just the multi-mode content inputs. The back side of this screen is all rear serviceable, so replacing a mod is no problem. It's easy to set up, even easier to service. And back to the setup, on the front of it, for this model, Musco Max 1710, it will require a 2 5/16 inch ball. You're going to want about a 3/4 ton to haul it. It's 8,000 to 8,500 pounds, depending on what you're outfitted with for power. Generators tend to be a little bit heavier. If you have shore power only, that's going to be a little lighter. Your battery system's going to be a different weight altogether. Inside your production box, also have the cooling capabilities just with the fans, just to keep everything nice and cool. With the doors closed and operating, this entire setup is IP67 rated. So rain or shine, you're set up for success with whatever type of event you're trying to run. A lot of our customers include parks and recs, movie nights, marketing companies, production companies, schools. This thing can transform into a big scoreboard as well, which is becoming more and more popular with different types of traveling, 7-on-7 football, baseball, soccer, you name it, any type of activity. We can do some scorekeeping on this unit as well. As mentioned, we're looking at a Max 1710 right now. We also have different sizes available, maybe better fit your budget or need. Anywhere from a 10x6 all the way up to a 23 foot by 13 foot as well. So get a little bit more information. Be sure to visit us at musco.com/videoboards.